Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this bag. It is not very often that you guys get a true 100% unboxing, but this box literally just arrived. Like they just rung the doorbell, just signed for it, and I thought I would go ahead and do an official unboxing with you. Whoa. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this bag has been on my wish list since it launched, but I was waiting for two things, and you'll see whenever I open her up. I am so excited. Okay, so I did end up checking the this is a gift when I ordered this because I wanted to experience the whole shebang. I'm honestly not 100% sure how to remove this, so I'm just gonna take it off in the corners. This is my first time ever getting a Bottega box like wrapping like this. I don't think I've ever ordered, like I got my earrings from Bottega, but it was a really small box, and my Bottega bags have all been from somewhere else. So this is my first time buying a handbag directly from Bottega. Where is, I think it's this right here. Magnet, yes, so this is it right here. I kind of want to take a peek before I share with you. I don't know, or should I give you guys the first peek? Should I give you guys the first peek? Let's see. It's probably not, it's probably in packaging. Okay, it's still in packaging. Let's see, let's see. Oh, I wrote myself a little note. Let's open her up. Let's open her up and read what I wrote to myself. I started recently when I buy luxury items, I write myself a little note to them just for positivity because we could all use a little positivity in our life. And well, that was a little underwhelming, this big notepad, and I just put, enjoy her, you deserve it. How cute. Okay, so I will hold on to this, but you get this little envelope here. It says Bottega right there. Okay, let's put this off to the side. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We've got the dust bag. Oh, we've got another envelope down there. That must be my receipt. Okay, so here is the dust bag. I'm gonna grab this envelope real quick just to show you. It's just another envelope. I'm pretty sure this is the receipt because the other one didn't have my receipt in it. I'm gonna put this box down, but here is the dust bag. Okay, I don't know if you can tell on camera. I'll try to put some close-ups, but this dust bag actually has some like print on it. It looks like a weave. I don't know if this is for the specific line or if this is their newer dust bags. I want to say their other dust bags were white with green print. So I don't know if this is specific to this line or if, like I said, if they've just upgraded their dust bags, but here we are. We also have a tag, which I'm pretty sure says the bag style. So I'm not going to try to show that. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this bag. I really am, you guys. I have, oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's open her up. What I got is the sardine chain bag in this, okay, I don't remember what the name of this color is. I'll link the exact bag down below for you guys, but I have really fallen in love with this sardine line. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the stuffing. I've really fallen in love with this sardine line. It comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in a size larger than this, and it comes in a size smaller than this. It also now comes in a few different chain versions. They originally didn't launch it with chain versions. The larger size came with leather thin straps. And one, I thought the larger size was too big for my particular body type, my particular frame, especially how I would want to wear it. And I didn't love the thinness of the straps. And when they came out with the chain version for this, I was on high alert for the color. At first, they didn't launch any colors that I really liked. And then when I saw this one, I was like, you're coming home with me. I love it so much. Like, this is so beautiful. I want to say you can't, yes. So you can actually remove the chain from this side and just hang it from this side. I don't really know why you would want to do that, but you can. You've got this, and this is where the bag gets the name. If you look at this, it is literally a sardine. Do you see? It is a sardine. And if you're looking at it saying like, oh, there's like scratches and notches, that is literally the point. And every sardine, the notches are like hand done. So every sardine is unique. So my sardine is gonna look different than your sardine because you're gonna have different marks than mine does. And yeah, I mean, Bottega just is known for their leathers, known for their quality. I am gonna have to test out sizing and make sure this size works. I will say it definitely looks smaller than I remember being. So I'm gonna put my essentials in here. Let me know if you guys wanna like what's in my bag, but it's fabulous. I mean, this is seriously like a it girl bag, fashion girly bag for sure. Obviously you can hold it by the handle, very fashion, or you can put it on your shoulder. It's a little too short to do crossbody, but it could be on your shoulder, or you can allow the chain to just kind of hang down, which I love. It almost feels like a piece of jewelry for the bag. If you guys have ever had Bottega, like their leathers are scrumptious, very, very high quality leathers. I love this color. I'm like seriously obsessed with this color. I really, really hope this size works for me. Even if the size doesn't work for me, like it's too small, then it'll just be kind of like a fashion bag, like a date night bag is what I'm thinking. But she's stunning. She's stunning. I wouldn't say she's gonna be a super practical bag, but I kind of expected that. You do have a magnetic closure, which you've seen me use a couple times in the video. But other than that, there is nothing else. It is just a hole, and the interior is the other side of the leather, so it's not lined. So I do think you have to be a little bit more careful with this bag, but she is stunning. You can see the Bottega logo right there, made in Italy. There is a tag down there on the side with, do you see it right there with like serial numbers and stuff like that? So at least I think that's what that is. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. It says, what does it say? It says, oh yeah, it's got a serial number on it. But that is it. It's a very, very simple bag with like lots of detail, if that makes sense. The braiding, like twisting here is really beautiful. It's such a pretty bag. I really, really love this. Are you guys a fan of the sardine line or are you not? And which size is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys loved this video. I'm really excited. I can't wait to style it. I really, really hope the size works for me. Let me know if you guys want a what's in my bag or anything like that kind of video in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.